hard one to do makes like the second most amount of money. The medium one makes the least amount of money, and the easiest one for you to do makes the most amount of money right here. So this is going to be awesome for you because you can pick between 1, 2, and number 3. I'll show you how to make content in them step by step, as well what's involved for you to make content like this. So the hardest one is this channel called 10 Best Ones. They're getting about 2 million views in the last 30 days, making anywhere from 2,000 to 24,000 monthly earnings. However, they don't care about AdSense in this channel. Now you can see that they're getting, 50 to almost 100,000 views each and every single day. And in AdSense, that's, $100 up to $500 per day. And this is the tech niche. So the tech niche has a very high CPM, meaning that they will make close to the top right here because tech advertisers love spending money on ads. Look at this easy content like top 5 protein powders, and you can even see the images are just zooming in, gaming desk, budget phone, student laptops. So this is for you if you love, checking out the newest type of products that is coming out on a weekly basis and reviewing those products. Now, you don't need to have the products itself, and you don't need to film yourself. All these videos are taken from YouTube videos, and then they're cut in together, and then they are transformative, so you can use other people's content as long as it falls under fair use. So that's how they get, drone shots or something like that without getting copyright striked, because it falls under fair use. Now, the coolest part about this is that if we check their channel and if we just scroll through this video, you can see that there's pretty much just the simplest images scrolling through. They're even using the ads of certain products to get B-roll. But not only that, the most and coolest part is that they have affiliate links to the Amazon affiliate program in the links in the description, which is where they make the majority of their money, because like somebody searching best drones in 2018 is a very high chance that they actually check out the Amazon links here and purchase through them. So could you make money with this hard method where the 10 best ones is the role model channel, and the system here is find top 5 or 10 on Amazon, and then you would write the script and you use, the information that's on the screen on the Amazon page to just rewrite in your own words and make it look good. Then you find some B-roll over on YouTube, and it's very important that you clip and cut them together very fast so you don't get any copyright issues and you fall under fair use, and then you use a voiceover on top of that. So is this the channel you want to go with? Then go ahead. It's a great way that you can get started to make money. And obviously the greatest benefit is that you will have a lot of Amazon affiliate sales through this strategy, which is why it works like wildfire. But maybe you're more into the medium strategy. Well, let me show you that right now. This channel is called Future Tech, and they only have 34 uploads. Now, this is because they deleted a ton of their videos because they did robot voice in the beginning. Now they don't do that anymore because robot voice is going a little bit out of fashion. It's possible to use it if the context is correct, but usually I have to stay away from robot voice in like 99% of the cases. But even still, they're making 600,000 views the last 30 days, $900 up to $8,000 in monthly earnings. You would probably be pretty happy with an extra 8K in your pocket every month, right? They're getting, 20,000 views each and every day. And let me show you the content right here. So this is the channel, and they are making 8 latest new tech gadgets and inventions, coolest tech gifts, coolest tech gadgets, amazing new gadget, advanced gadgets, and so forth. So this is a different type of not search strategy, but more like interruption marketing, if you get what I mean. Now, what's so awesome about this is that they are using advertisements of the actual product. So they are usually on Kickstarter, these new different things that are very unique. They're on Kickstarter, Indiegogo, and all of that. And what they do is they use the commercial. And think about this. Will the commercial copyright strike you? No, of course not, because this is essentially an advertisement for the 9 coolest gadgets in 2020, so they will never copyright strike you for using an advertisement. So here you can see Vork's Airbank, Mazio, all of this, Cleanse Bot, and they have links to all of those products in the description down below as well. Some of them are affiliate links, some of them are not affiliate links, but this is gonna make a lot of money through Amazon Associates as well. The reason I say that this is making less money is because these are not like very heavily searched optimized keywords that somebody that, you know, they wanna buy a Christmas gifts or whatever, they would rather search for top 10 toasters instead of top 10 gadgets. But an awesome strategy nonetheless. So do you want to make money through this strategy right here that Future Tech is using to make money on YouTube without making the videos yourself? Well, the system is very similar where you find the gadgets, and here I would go to Kickstarter.com and check out all these new and cool inventions that, you know, they watch the videos because, oh, I've never seen this before, and that's where you get them in and hooked and they want to watch your videos. Well, it's very similar. You write the script for that so you can voice that over. You find the ads and B-roll, and that you're gonna find inside of the actual Kickstarter video. So if you click on this, you'll find an ad. You can download that ad and use that in your video, and then just voice over that, plop it into an editing software, and you're good to go. So this is for you if you really like finding new and cool inventions and sharing that with the world and making some AdSense money as well as some affiliate link money in the back end as well. But as you can see, this is the medium difficulty here, and I'm about to show you the easy, which makes the most amount of money as well. But before that, hit that like button, please. Can we get to 500 likes on this video? It would make me so happy, as well as comment down below. In my spare time, I enjoy blank, and you can enter to win a $1,000 course. And stay to the end of this video to not miss out on any of the tips. Okay, are you ready to see the easiest one that is making the most amount of money? Well, take a look at this. This channel is called Quantum Tech. 300 uploads, 7 million subscribers right now, and 2 billion, that's a B right there, video views. And the last month, they almost made 100 million views the last 30 days, including AdSense money ranging from 100,000 to 1.2 million right there. And I believe that this is pretty much at least $600,000 or $700,000 just by AdSense, which is literally ridiculous because this channel doesn't even do voiceover. That's right, they don't even do voiceover, and they're getting 2-3 million views each and every day, up to $4,000, up to $40,000 per day. And let me show the content that these guys are actually producing. Now, this is easy and it's not a lot of work. It's more fun than all other strategies I share with you. However, you will have to spend quite a bit of time to find interesting tech. All right. So if you like tech and you want to find crazy new inventions, well, this is for you. So look at this modern automatic sawmill. They have like all of these different ones, and there's music in the background and some cool transitions that is going on. Here you can see more everyday gadgets that are next level, amazing drill bits that are useful, tool attachments, woodworking tools that are at another level, and they find cool gadget inventions and ads, just like I showed you on Kickstarter, but they don't speak in the videos itself. It's just music in the background with some text on it, and it's very important that they have a watermark in the top right. Even fastest and most skillful Chinese workers getting literally millions of views. They're posting every single day right here, this is something I would love to do, and just chill out on Reddit, chill out on Instagram, TikTok, watching videos all day from awesome cool tech gadgets. So the easy system would literally be to find cool tech, and the way you do that is literally you can click on any of the videos that he has published, as well as the other channels I just showed you, and they have links of all the different techs and gadgets that they just showed you in this video right here on the actual description. So you can use the videos that they have put in there as well. And remember to give credit just like they are doing right here. And in doing so, you'll find all the videos and all the images that you can use from those pages. For example, if we just click into Kegworks and go on Instagram, you can see that we can use a lot of these images and videos that they have for our video as well, because it's literally an advertisement for them, you know? Like this guy, what is going on? And then once you've done that, all you need to do is the video editing right here. I use DaVinci Resolve 17, which is all completely free, and it's awesome for Mac, Windows, and Linux, where you can just plop all these images and videos together and make it into an awesome video, where you can turn this into an awesome video. So now, do you want to start any of these YouTube channels? Can you visualize yourself making a channel like this and literally making more money than a full-time job, just simply plopping these videos together that will allow you to, you know, quit your job, work from home in just your pajamas, just like me? Well, I have a question to you. When are you gonna get started producing content like this? Because I know I can show you awesome strategies, but if you're not gonna take action on those awesome strategies, well then what's the worth? So if you wanna start this, you need to know how to make video ideas that have good keywords in them. You need to know how to edit all the videos and publish it with thumbnails and a nice description to make it optimized so it can go viral. And do you want to do that all alone by yourself through trial and error, or would you like to get some help and guidance along the way?